Alright, what's up guys? Today we've got the PlayStation Portal. That's right, it came in, which is pretty fast shipping actually, because it said it shipped out last night. So let's go ahead and unbox this thing. Now this thing is basically a glorified remote play Android device, and from what I've heard, don't quote me on this, but this might have a Snapdragon processor in it, but I think it's limited, obviously, and you know Sony doesn't want you going around in here and messing things up. So decent packaging though. Like we got some PlayStation stickers here. And, yeah, just checking the box if there's anything else here, but it doesn't look like it. All right, what do we got here? Remote player. Damn, we got even more nice packaging. Well, I guess yeah, you're paying $200 for something decent. Oh, there's a USB cable in here. Oh, sorry, didn't mean to bump the mic. Aha, there is a USB cable. USB-C cable. Looks like the same one as the PS5 DualSense. Here is the Portal. Looks like there's some stuff at the bottom here. Let's see. Oh, looks like it's just a manual documentation that can stay right there where it belongs. Okay. Let's go ahead and unbox this thing. It's all back in here. And first thoughts. Okay, well, it is not small, and holding it feels exactly. Oh, actually, these thumbsticks feel small. Oh, these feel looser and smaller than my DualSense Edge here. Just for example, here's that for scale. It's all greasy and smudgy. But yeah. I wonder if this thing's charged. Let's go ahead and peel the screen or protector off. Wow, it's literally. Why did I buy this, man? Well, you know, PlayStation fanboy. So maybe there can be more uses for it. Oh, I think I just felt it rumble. Oh no, when you like when you smack it, you feel a vibration. What the? Okay, well, looks like this big button is your power. Not sure what that other one is. This charged? Please tell me this is charged. Okay. Whew. All right. Well, that's going. Let me get my current kit going. It's playing some music here. We got volume controls here. We got a mute microphone button, PlayStation button. This is options. This is share, I believe. No back pedals or paddles. I'm not sure what this button is right here. What does that do? Nothing. Okay, well, let me just go through the setup here. What the? Oh. Okay. Let me just set this up here. Of course, there's an update. Agree. Yep. It's probably gonna ask me to sign in the PlayStation. All right. Well. Oh, I didn't even notice there's lights here on the side. Nice little backlighting. Why is it? Okay, hang on, PlayStation. Why is it gotta be white though? You know, like my right side is blown out here. Sorry. It's already picking up dust. This texture thing doesn't help either, you know? Like, that's why, like, I don't want to peel this off because I got all the gamer grime here. And I clean it, but, you know, if you use it, it's just going to keep accumulating it, right? So, at least if it's black, it hides it better. Come on, Sony. Okay, so that took like 20 minutes, but it asks you for a QR code. You scan that QR code, and then you'll sign in on, like, your phone or whatever, and then once you're through that, it'll take you to the screen, and once you're signed into your PlayStation account, obviously you're signed in on your PS5, which is the only way you can use this, by the way. Yeah, I can hopefully just pair it with this, and then yeah, I wonder what happens if I just don't verify this, because I'm pretty sure I had all this set up on my oh, it's white light right now. Okay, that's the settings menu. Okay. Ooh. device here. Oh, ready to play. I just pressed X. Is it taking me to... Wow, that looks not very good quality. What? My PS5 is literally right over there, man. It's to the right. Okay, well, I don't know what it's probably... Oh my god. It's got pretty loud speakers. Looks like there's two at the top and then one at the bottom. And also, USB-C is here in the worst ergonomic location, I think. Like, why didn't they just put that? Well, if you're playing portably, I mean, you're not taking this on planes though or anything, so why not just have it at the top? Or maybe you can dock it or something. Make a 3D print dock. Anyways, and then there's a headphone jack there. So overall, it feels fine, but not $200 fine. You know, like, oh my god, why does this look so bad? I gotta figure this out. Hang on, I can't. All right, well, I guess I'll figure that out later. And just a quick size comparison. Here's the PlayStation Portal. And here is my Steam Deck. So, like, it's like literally the same, if not like 1 millimeter smaller. Yeah, the vibration doesn't feel like... Ugh. I don't like the haptics on that. The clarity, I think it's something with my network because this doesn't look as clear. But so far it doesn't feel like there's too much delay. Okay, there's definitely delay. Never mind, I jinxed it. Obviously, everything depends on, like, network here, right? So if your network's congested or it's just not great, this isn't going to play great. But, man, I have a pretty solid internet connection. And this actually seems like it's more clear on my Steam Deck. Back out of here. Jeez, so loud. Maybe there's something I can do to, Oh, that's the headset button. This? Okay, well, it doesn't do anything unless I have the headset, so... Not sure why you would have airplane mode, unless you want to literally have dedicated paperweight. And... Display brightness... No. Very limited. Yeah, just swinging around... Something I noticed, like I was messing with the vibration settings earlier. Oh yeah, these are your touchpads, by the way. But just messing with the settings here, it's set under controller. The vibration intensity is set to strong, right? That's what it's at default, but I turned it out to medium because, at least in Spider-Man, I noticed that whenever I swing, my left trigger is like rattling. It doesn't do it when I do the left trigger either, but maybe it's not like that for all games, but also that's not a thing on my DualSense Edge, you know, so the haptics just don't feel great, in my opinion. What happens if I turn this off to weak? Like, is it better? Does it go away? No, it still does it. Gosh. Also, as for my picture quality issue that I was noticing, when I charged this up, I just plugged it in, and there's no charging indicator light, by the way. When you plug it into charge, the only indicator you have is the screen will display a little battery icon. Like, that's your only indication that it's being charged. But for picture quality, after the restart, or I guess, yeah, that when I powered off the device and booted it back up, reconnected to my kit, not my kit, my PS5, it seems a lot better. Like, it doesn't seem as blocky or horrible or pixelated. But also, like, yeah, this is, I think, about the same quality as my deck when you set up Chiaki, which is open source and free, by the way. Shout out to those devs. I'm pretty conflicted about this device, but I'll probably keep it. Maybe some updates can fix the haptics. I'm just overall... oh, there's some freezing going on, too. And as for input delay, after playing with it a little bit more, it doesn't seem too bad. But I definitely wouldn't do anything like competitive, like any online shooters or battle royales or anything. Yeah, so there's the PlayStation Portal unboxed. I don't think it's worth it. You should honestly just get a Steam Deck. You can do literally everything that this does and more locally on a Steam Deck. So yeah, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.